Welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful registration form. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, let me zoom out a little. So we have to go to the insert tab, and I'm going to insert a rectangle. So which is right here. Just click on it and come and draw a rectangle. Alright, so with this, let's position it at the center. Alright, so now right click on it and go to format shape. And you see under the format shape we have the line properties and we have fill properties. So go to the fill properties and choose no fill. So with this, now go back to the line properties. So we have a width here. So the width here, change it to 5. Alright, so the color here, just click on it and click on this color right here. Alright, so let me zoom in a little. So with this, simply go back to the insert tab and then go to text box on the right side of your screen. We have text box here. So we then click on the draw text box. So just come and click here once, it will be inserted. So you see the text box is having an outline and we don't want that outline. So simply to remove it, you simply have to go to the shape outline and give it no outline, and the shape fill also give it no fill. So inside here we'll have the company, maybe the company name and logo. So I'll just use company name. So I'll just leave it this way. Maybe let me just add tagline. So I'll select all of it and align it to the center. So it is, I want to remove the space in between the company name and the tagline. So go to the layout here and give it 0. Alright, so with this, let's select all of it and format it. So we'll come here, I will choose semi-bold, and with the company name, I'll change the color to this green. Or blue rather, sorry. So I'll increase the size a little. So I'll gently align it at the center here. So now with the company name and the tagline, I have a logo for it, and the logo is in my device. So I'll simply go to the insert tab, go to pictures. If it's not in your device and you want to work with online pictures, go with online pictures. But as I have it on my device, I'll go and click on this device. So I have the logo here, just click on it, it will be inserted. So let's reduce the size by clicking on this one and wrap it here. You can use this one or this one. So I'll just use this one. For the sake of this video, that's why I'm using this picture as my logo. That's not necessarily just a logo. It's an Apple logo that I'm using as my logo, just for the sake of this video. Alright, so with this one, I'm just going to make another copy of this one, and with this, that will be the so with this, that will be the form, registration form. So I'll just go with registration form. So I'll select it, and the font there will be impact, and the size I'll try with 30 text. Alright, let me go with 28. So I'll gently align it here. Alright, so also I'm just going to go back to the insert tab. So with the insert tab, I'm just going to draw a straight line under there. Registration form. So with this straight line, let's increase the width of it here. So we can leave it 2, and the color, choose this one right here. Okay, so now I want us to now start inserting some couple of shapes here with text inside in it. So the first shape that we have to insert is rectangle shape, so which is right here. So I'm just going to insert it this way. So I'm going to remove the outline, and the shape fill, I'll choose this one right here. So with this, let me increase the deepness a little. So with this, that will be the personal information. So So I will select it this way, go to layout. So with this, let me go with 6 and see what will happen. Let me try with 3 or reduce all. So the font there also, let's try and change it. So the color, I think we'll go with this color and make it 14. So I'll gently align it here. So I'll make a copy right here. But with this, I'm just going to change it totally. Let me change the background first. So that will be the color, the fill here. So I'll choose this one right here. And this text, I'll change it to Calibri, and we even make it 12 rather, and the color will be black. So the text will be full name. So I'll select it and align it to the left, and I'll use this one. I'll go with Auto and C. So now with this, I'll have another one. And with this, that will be the gender. So I'll make another copy. And that will be the city. So with this, I'll make another copy here. So I guess this one will be date of birth. So let's make another copy. That one will be marital status. Marital status. And lastly, let's make another copy. And it will be the nationality. So I'll increase here a little. Let me increase here also a little. I'll do the same thing applies to all. Alright, so now I'll take this one again and I'm going to make a copy right here. And I'm going to change these details to contact. So let me select it and make it uppercase. Alright, so let me gently bring it here. So I'll take this one that has a line and make a copy here. So I'll just pull it here so it will reach the other end. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Okay, so let me now bring this one back. So let me now make a copy of this one here. So I'm just going to make a copy of it a couple of times. Or in other words, let me just take this one, add this one, this one, this one, and this one also as well. So I'm just going to press and hold the Control key and make a copy here. Alright, so here we'll change here to email. We'll change this one also. So address, so have zip code here, and we will have country here. So with this, that will be the residence. And last one, that will be the phone. Okay, so I will take this one and this one also and make a copy here. So I'll change this one to order. So I'll make this one also uppercase. So let me take this first one here, bring it right here. So I'll reduce the size a little. I'll make a copy of it here. Let me reduce it a little also and add. So here will be the start date. So let me delete this one and take this one and make a copy here and make another copy here. So let me select this one and change this one to end date. So I'll then take this one also and make a copy here. But with this, the length of it will increase. And I'll then take this one also and make another copy here. So this one, that will be the annual payment. And I'll change this one also to payment details. So this one, let's change it to monthly payments. So I'll make another copy of this one. So this one, that will be the working hours. That will be, let's go with this first. And we then have the working hours. Alright, so now I'll go to the top there. I'm just going to make a copy of this text here. So here I'm just going to add some small description. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly generate a text here. Maybe one paragraph is 2 lines is okay for me. So I'll select or make it black. The font, I'll change it to Calibri. Now I'll give it 12 as a size. Alright, so let's take this one and this one. I will make a copy here. So with these two, this one will be the date, and this one will be the signature. So I'm just going to modify it a little. So by making this one bold, and by making this one also bold as well. So let me increase the size of this one a little. Alright, so let me zoom out so we can have a clear view of it. So as you can see, everything looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.